Hi everyone, I'm Asrar and you're watching Technical Education. Today I'm gonna discuss you about slow speed of performance of a laptop. It's a Intel i3 6th generation laptop with SSD, but it's slower than HSD drive laptops. I think you are watching that's slow. We are going on drive, it's loading, and after it's load, so taking time to load the file. We are also watch this file an Excel file. It's a taking time to load the file. It's a taking some time to open the file. I'm searching from 6 months how to solve this laptop slow speed issue. I have tried many techniques to solve this issue, but I can't get. Even I'm using Windows settings and couple of softwares to boost up this laptop speed, but I can't find. But finally today I find the solution. Uh, Before we are going to solution, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. You're checking the speed of this laptop. It's taking time to load the hard drive, load the files. It's taking time to load the files. You're checking it. It's taking time to load the files. First we restart this. Then restarts, you press the F2 in your laptop keyboard button. Here is the solution. You can solve the speed of this laptop issue. There is a power management and there is an option to dynamic CPU frequency mode. This is first it said always low. Then we go into and there dynamic switch. Press select the dynamic switch, and there also a option underneath the SATA interface setting. There is a battery life. You have choose the performance. There is we select the performance, and there we select the dynamic switch, and then we save the changes. Here is telling save and exit F10. Press F10, and I save the changes. And now it's restarting laptop. It's watch it. Now we check are its speed is up or not. First we go to drive. It's a doesn't loading. It's directly opened. Checked. Check this. This is opened directly without taking any time, even not taking seconds. Just once clicked and it's opened. Check this. Uh, it's opened before. It's taking too time to load these two files. Was now it's faster than before. There is the solution. I hope uh, you if there is any issue with your laptop, you can change the settings in BIOS to solve the issue of slow speed. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.